how to use Roadtrippers app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Roadtrippers app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Roadtrippers app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, if you tap on breakfast and then tap on around me, then you will be able to see all the restaurants or hotel that are offering breakfast. And the same goes for the coffee section. Similarly, if you tap on take a walk and then tap on around me, then you will be able to see all the parks where you can walk. If you are planning on going on a trip, then tap start a new trip. So when you tap on it, it will ask you to enter the place where you want to go. If you want to search for anything along your route, then just tap on that specific things like I want to search for hotels and unique stay, then I will tap on it. Then tap on start trip and you will be able to see all hotels and stays along your route. If you want a guide relevant to your trip, then you have to tap on guides and you will be able to see all featured and nearby trip. Here, tap on any trip guide and you will be able to see all the hotels, stays, parks, and things like that. If you want to see this trip on a map, then tap on map and you will be able to see all the things that will be coming along your route. If you want to remove any specific stay from your trip, then just tap on that location and tap on remove. There are some other options in the app like fuel up, exercise, and things to do which you can use when in need, and they are similar to use like restaurants and take a walk. So that's how you can use Road Trippers app. That's all for this video.